Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore some practical steps on how to think in English. Thinking in English can significantly improve your fluency and confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music, and read books in English. Engage with English content daily to get used to the language. Step 2. Use English in your daily life. Start by labeling items around your house in English. Try to describe your daily activities in English, either in your mind or out loud. Practice speaking to yourself in English, even if it's just simple sentences. Step 3. Think in simple English. Begin with simple thoughts and sentences. For example, instead of thinking I need to buy groceries, think buy milk, bread, eggs. Gradually increase the complexity of your thoughts as you become more comfortable. Step 4. Use an English-to-English dictionary. When you encounter new words, use an English-to-English dictionary instead of translating to your native language. This helps you understand meanings in context and reinforces thinking in English. Step 5. Keep an English journal. Write about your day, thoughts, or plans in English. This practice helps you form sentences and express your thoughts directly in English. Step 6. Practice with native speakers. Engage in conversations with native English speakers whenever possible. Use language exchange apps or join English speaking clubs and forums. Step 7. Stay patient and consistent. Thinking in a new language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit to practice thinking in English. Thinking in English or any new language can be challenging but very rewarding. Here's a detailed example scenario that can help illustrate how to think in English. Think. You are in a grocery store and you need to buy items for dinner. Visualize and describe in English. As you walk into the store, try to describe everything you see in English. For example, I see a large display of fresh fruits and vegetables. The apples look shiny and... Plan your shopping list. In your mind or on a piece of paper, list the items you need in English. I need to buy chicken breasts, broccoli, rice, and milk. Use English for decision making. When choosing between products, think through your decision in English. Should I buy organic milk or regular milk? The organic milk is more expensive, but it might be healthier. Ask questions in English. If you need help finding something, formulate the question in English before asking. Excuse me, where can I find the rice? Even if you are in a non-English speaking country, practicing this will help you build confidence. Internal dialogue. As you pick up items, have an internal dialogue in English. Okay, I have the chicken. Now I need to find the broccoli. It should be in the vegetable section. Reflect on the experience. After shopping, think back on your experience in English. Today, I bought everything I needed for dinner. It was a good practice to think in English while shopping.